Hey guys, this is Barbecue Smoker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to butterfly a chicken. First off, what you want to do is take the whole chicken, and a lot of times it comes with gizzards and hearts inside the cavity of the chicken. I just take that out, set it aside for some chicken stock, and then I rinse the chicken off before I start cutting it. The process is fairly simple. You just need a good pair of chicken shears like these right here. You can use any regular kitchen scissors or a very sharp knife, and the idea behind it is to cut along the side of the backbone of the chicken, and you can kind of see it through the skin, and that's what we're going to do right now. And again, as I said, just save the back for chicken stock. Makes a really good chicken stock. There we go, just cut that fat off. And set that aside. And you can start from here and just flip it over, and that's how you would butterfly it, just like that. But what I like doing is, so I can get two separate halves when I throw it on the grill, is to cut down the middle here. So what we'll do now is just do that. Along the breast. There you go, two separate halves. And there you go. And that's how you butterfly chicken. Thanks again, guys, for watching my YouTube channel. It's always, I'm appreciative of you guys stopping by and checking me out. And please stay tuned for more videos to come.